So I just finished the job. Look at this. I painted my hand because I'm not well prepared. So now let's go to the beach and and touch the water. It's a little bit as this wet, and yeah, the sun is a little bit wet. It's not little, it's actually totally wet because it's been raining last night. So now see this one, it's a beautiful wave. It's so nice. Whee! Oh. Come here. Water. Yeah. Oops. Okay. So we did our thing. Touch the seawater. Look at that. I wanna swim. Bossing there. That's the double island. A double island. And the Captain Cook Cup. Oh no, a Boy Scout Cup, they call it here. Okay. So this is the camp of what you call it, a long time World War II. So they are all docked here, all the soldiers and the trainees, all the vessels and anything that goes for the war, they all dock up here, and they build a camp up there. Now it's a residence and a flat, like a condominium.
Here anymore. Beautiful place. Wonder why we left. But here it is. Poured rain last night, not too much before how much. But it looks like it's going to rain for a week now, so we've got about another 3 or 4 hours according to the forecast before the rain potential returns to start raining again this afternoon. But right now you can see right up the coast of Port Douglas, Mossman Road. Down to the south you can see False Cape, Yarrabah area. Can't quite see Green Island. The rain hit last night has all disappeared out that way. You may notice a slightly darker area of the sky, but it's moved out to sea according to the radar, out in that direction there. There is blue sky to the south and the northeast. Yeah, very calm, very serene, very sticky as well. So there you go.
Smile, you're on camera.
Oh, which camera? Ah, this camera.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good camera.
Okay. Alright. We don't have any selfie with your camera. We should have one. Look at that.
Okay.
Something's approaching. Come with me. Land in my hand. Let me see if you can beat it. Hurry, hurry.
Somebody having perfect condition.
Oops, I cannot catch it. Bye. Oh, they make a U-turn. Love it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. That's good. So hope you enjoy the show. See you on my next vlog with lots of work to do.